Good afternoon, everybody. I hope everybody's enjoying the day today. The weather is quite overcast. It's been raining all morning. I think it is about time it stopped, to be honest. It's quite cold, and what can I say? It's just something England and the UK suffer with is bad weather. We're lucky if we get 2 weeks of sunshine constantly. Oh, I don't know. As the world's going older, it's going colder. But I suppose everybody knows that with climate change. It just is, sadly. Now, what I wanted to talk to you about today, the Budgies get jealous. Sorry, it is a bit dark. Let me see if I can change the light a little bit. Bit out of the ordinary, but a little bit lighter, would you say? I don't really want to put any lights on. To be honest, big lights hurt my eyes. Why that is, I don't know, but they just do. I prefer the lamp being on, if I'm honest. But I do realise big lights will have to come on soon because it is getting darker earlier and earlier and earlier. It's just ridiculous, to be honest. Anyway, back to the subject. Do Budgies get jealous? Well, Budgies are the smallest form of parrots. You get your big parrot like macaws, and then you get Budgies, what they call parakeets, which is the size. Come on, sweetheart. Will you? Oh, come on, everybody wants to see you. Come on. Come here. Hey? Everybody wants to see Sammy. Everybody wants to see you. Oh, you're not playing today? Eh? You're not playing today? Come here. Come on. Come on. There we go. Now, Sammy, the size of our Sammy, that is a parakeet. Right? Are you saying hello to everybody? Now, you get macaws, which is like 3-4 times as big as Sammy. Parrots do have jealous streaks in them, so Budgies are no exception. Isn't that right? Now, I've noticed traits with our Sammy is, because she can be a bossy thing, can't you? Is one of the things she's jealous of, believe it or not, is her daddy. Isn't that right? Honestly, when my husband enters the room and he sits next to me, just like any normal couple, he'll sit next to me, probably ask for the odd kiss, and Sammy doesn't like it. Sometimes, yeah, she will hang back, but sometimes she has done the odd thing, landed on my head, gone on my shoulder. She'll jump onto my husband's shoulder and bite his ear. And he says it hurts. Now, I've never been bitten by a Sammy on the ear. She never bites my ear, ever. So he says it hurts because we're not talking a little, you know, as they do, Budgies, because it's like feather kisses. Like she does to me, she'll give me feather kisses. Well, Richard see her, she'll go, ah, give her a nasty bite, and he says it hurts. Another thing Sam is jealous of is this phone. She is jealous of this phone. She's jealous when anybody enters the room, and because she'll let you know about it. Basically, she will let you know about it. She'll do this squawk, which I know, I bet everybody's heard a budgie squawk. They'll go, just like that. They'll do that. So yes, parrots get jealous. Have any of you experienced any jealous parrots or birds? Please let me know in the comments. I'd be really, really interested to know. I really would. They've just got a jealous streak in them, and if they're really bonded to their owners, then as far as they're concerned, their owner's theirs, belongs to them. So parrots, they usually only bond to one person, usually. Same with budgies. They usually have a favourite. Now, there's another thing I wanted to ask you lovely people. And, well, what it boils down to is when, in the morning, when you uncover your bird to give it its breakfast and sort your budgie out in the morning. Now, a couple of times I've asked my husband to do this, only the odd times when either I've been doing breakfast or something, and he's uncovered Sammy, and in the next room all I hear is ouch. So when I come running in, Sammy's attacked him. Sammy's attacked him. She's attacked his fingers. And I've put it down to the conclusion, maybe it's because she always expects me, her mum, every morning. I mean, it usually is every morning I see to her, but it's just the odd times when he's seen to her and she's gone for him. She's bit him. And I mean, I shouldn't be laughing, because when you're not used to doing these things and your animal goes for you, it's not very nice. It really isn't. But I'm putting it down to she's not used to him seeing to her. So I'd really like your thoughts on this. Is it because she's used to me doing it every day, or is it because of something else? I'd really like your opinions on this, and I'd really love a response. Please help me out. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there for now. And please, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please look at all my other content and videos as you may enjoy them. And please give me a like and please subscribe. Okay, it really does mean so much. Okay, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and hopefully, all being well, we'll see you all tomorrow. This is the last video I am going to do today, like this. I'll try and do short videos in between of Sammy. Hopefully I can catch her doing something magical. Okay. So please enjoy the rest of your day and we'll see you soon. Okay.